Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting shifts in software development, AI-powered code generators. These tools are rapidly changing the way developers write, test, and deploy code. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, understanding how artificial intelligence is reshaping coding is essential. In this video, we'll explore what AI code generators are, why they're gaining traction in 2024, see a real-time demo, and discuss the benefits and challenges. Let's get started and see how AI is revolutionizing the developer experience. Artificial intelligence has been making waves across industries, but its impact on software development is particularly profound. Developers are now leveraging AI not just for data analysis or automation, but directly in the act of writing code. Imagine having a smart assistant that understands your coding style, suggests improvements, and even writes entire functions for you. This is no longer science fiction, it's happening right now. In this video, we'll uncover how AI-powered code generators are transforming the daily workflow of developers everywhere. What exactly are AI-powered code generators? These are advanced tools, often built on GPT-based models or platforms like GitHub Copilot, that use machine learning to assist developers. By analyzing vast amounts of code, they can predict what you're trying to write and offer suggestions in real time. Some can even generate entire code snippets or functions based on a simple prompt. This means less time spent on repetitive tasks and more focus on solving complex problems. Let's look closer at how these tools work and why they're becoming indispensable. AI code generators don't just spit out random code, they're designed to understand context. For example, when you start typing a function, the AI can suggest the next line or even complete the function for you. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT are trained on millions of code examples, enabling them to provide relevant, high-quality suggestions. This assistance is especially valuable for beginners, but even experienced developers find it speeds up their workflow and reduces errors. You might wonder why AI-powered code generators are especially popular in 2024. The answer lies in recent advances in AI and machine learning models, which have dramatically improved the accuracy and relevance of code suggestions. Integration with popular IDEs like VS Code and JetBrains has made these tools more accessible than ever. Developers can now prototype and debug faster, making the entire software development process more efficient and enjoyable. One of the key reasons for the surge in popularity is how seamlessly AI code generators integrate with popular development environments. Whether you're using Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, or other platforms, these tools fit right into your workflow. This means you don't have to switch between applications or disrupt your coding rhythm. The AI suggestions appear as you type, making the experience smooth and intuitive. Speed is crucial in software development, and AI code generators are making a big difference. By providing instant code suggestions and even debugging tips, these tools help developers move from idea to prototype much faster. They can also spot potential errors or suggest fixes, reducing the time spent on troubleshooting. This means more time for creativity and less time stuck on repetitive or tedious tasks. Let's jump into a real-world example. Imagine you're setting up GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT in your favorite IDE. The installation process is straightforward, often just requiring a plugin or extension. Once installed, you'll notice suggestions popping up as you type. In this demo, we'll walk through coding a simple app and see how the AI assists at each step. As you begin coding, the AI starts to suggest lines and even entire blocks of code. For example, if you're writing a function to fetch data from an API, the AI might suggest the correct syntax, error handling, and even comments. You can accept, modify, or reject these suggestions, giving you full control over your code. This collaborative approach makes coding faster and more efficient. One of the strengths of AI code generators is flexibility. As you code, you'll see suggestions appear in real time. You can accept them with a keystroke, modify them to better fit your needs, or simply ignore them. This ensures that the AI is a helpful assistant, not a replacement for your own expertise and creativity. One of the most celebrated benefits of AI code generators is the significant boost in productivity. Developers can accomplish more in less time, thanks to instant suggestions and automated code generation. This means faster project delivery, more time for innovation, and less time spent on repetitive coding tasks. It's a win-win for both individuals and teams. AI code generators are not just for experienced developers, they're also a fantastic learning tool for beginners. By providing real-time suggestions and explanations, these tools help new programmers understand best practices and common coding patterns. It's like having a mentor by your side, guiding you through each step of the coding process. Repetitive coding tasks can be tedious and time-consuming. AI code generators excel at handling these, allowing developers to focus on more creative and challenging aspects of their projects. Whether it's generating boilerplate code or automating routine functions, these tools free up valuable time and energy. Another major advantage is language support. AI code generators are trained on a wide variety of programming languages, from Python and JavaScript to Java and C++. This means you can switch between projects and languages without missing a beat, making these tools incredibly versatile for modern developers. While AI code generators offer many benefits, they're not without challenges. One concern is code quality. Since AI is trained on existing code, it might sometimes suggest outdated or suboptimal solutions. Developers need to review and test AI-generated code carefully to ensure it meets project standards and doesn't introduce bugs. Another important consideration is intellectual property. Since AI models are trained on publicly available code, there can be questions about code ownership and licensing. Developers should be aware of these issues and ensure that any code they use complies with relevant licenses and legal requirements. Relying too heavily on AI code generators can create dependency risks. If developers become accustomed to AI suggestions, they might lose some problem-solving skills or struggle when the AI is unavailable. It's important to use these tools as assistants, not crutches, and continue building your own coding expertise. AI models can sometimes generate code that looks correct but is actually wrong or irrelevant, a phenomenon known as hallucination. Developers need to be vigilant, double-checking AI-generated code and ensuring it aligns with project requirements. This critical review process is essential for maintaining code quality and reliability. Let's pause to define a key concept: AI hallucination. This term refers to instances where an AI model generates output that is plausible but incorrect or nonsensical. In the context of code generation, this means the AI might suggest code that doesn't work as intended or introduces subtle bugs. Understanding this risk helps developers use AI tools more effectively and responsibly. Ethics play a significant role in the adoption of AI code generators. Developers must consider not only code quality and licensing, but also the broader impact of AI on the profession. Issues like bias in training data, transparency, and accountability are increasingly important as AI becomes more integrated into development workflows. Looking ahead, AI is set to play a major role in the rise of low-code and no-code platforms. These tools empower non-developers to build applications using visual interfaces and AI-generated code. This democratization of software development could lead to more innovation and faster digital transformation across industries. AI is also making strides in automated testing and debugging. By analyzing code and predicting potential issues, AI tools can suggest tests, identify bugs, and even propose fixes. This not only saves time but also improves software reliability and quality. Over the next few years, we can expect AI code generators to become even more accurate, context-aware, and user-friendly. Improvements in natural language understanding and code analysis will make these tools smarter and more adaptable to individual developer needs. The future looks bright for AI-assisted coding. It's important to remember that AI code generators are tools, not replacements for human developers. The most successful outcomes come from a partnership between human creativity and AI efficiency. Developers who learn to leverage AI effectively will be well-positioned for the future of software development. Let's clarify another important concept: low-code and no-code platforms. These are development environments that allow users to create applications with minimal or no traditional coding, often using drag-and-drop interfaces and AI-generated code. They're opening up software creation to a much wider audience, making technology more accessible than ever. To recap, AI-powered code generators are transforming the way developers write code. They offer productivity boosts, learning support, and multi-language capabilities, while also presenting challenges like code quality and ethical considerations. As AI continues to evolve, its role in software development will only grow. If you haven't tried AI code generators yet, now is the perfect time. These tools can help you code faster, learn new skills, and tackle more ambitious projects. Start with a simple plugin or extension in your favorite IDE and see how AI can enhance your workflow. As AI becomes more integrated into development, the role of the developer is evolving. Rather than just writing code, developers are becoming architects and problem solvers, leveraging AI to handle routine tasks and focus on innovation. Embracing this change will be key to staying ahead in the tech world. The future of coding is bright, with AI playing a central role. As these tools become more advanced, they'll empower developers to build better software faster. Staying informed and adaptable will ensure you make the most of these exciting advancements. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI-powered code generators. We hope you've gained valuable insights and feel inspired to explore these tools in your own projects. Stay tuned for more content on the latest in technology and software development. Until next time, happy coding.